Dear students of class 9th, I am one of your teachers from Government Girls High School, Wilgam. Today, once again, I am with you with your social science subject through this offline class. You know that presently we are reading the geography part of this subject. Our chapter is Chapter 1, India Size and Location. In my previous lecture, I told you many things about this chapter, about this topic. I told you about the location, size, boundaries, and area of India. Today, I am going to give you some more information about this chapter. You know that here we have to remain within the limits of our syllabus for class 9th. We cannot go beyond that. So according to the guidelines of the syllabus, I try to share the necessary information, the necessary points with you. I have tried to put my today's lecture in the form of question answer so that it will be easy for you to understand things. This way, the points that I am going to share with you, going to give you are to the point. You need not to go in lengths at times. Choosing a simple way, you can understand things. So first of all, I will try to give you a beautiful definition that what's geography. Geography is a vast subject covering so many aspects of knowledge, so many things, but a very beautiful basic definition of geography has been written here on the screen. You can read it easily. Geography, the study of the physical features of the earth and its atmosphere and of human activity as it affects and is affected by these, including the distribution of populations and resources and political and economic activities. This is the basic definition of geography. And you also know that India is the 7th largest and the second most populous country in the world. This I have also wrote on the screen. You can read it. I have tried to highlight some points because being the students of social science, we have to know so many necessary things about this subject, and this helps us to know about our villages, towns, states, UTs, countries, and the world. You also know that in exam, various types of questions are asked from us. There are long answer type questions, short answer type questions, very short answer type questions, yes, no, or false, true type questions, or multiple choice questions. I have also tried to put my today's information, put my today's lecture in the form of question answer so that it will be easy for you to understand things and not to go in useless lengths. At times, we need to be precise, to the point, and accurate. My today's question is rather one of your textual questions. It is in the form of multiple choice. I will read the question. It is clearly seen on the screen. Then I will tell you about its answers. Question number 1. Choose the right answer from the 4 alternatives given below. Number 1. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through A. Rajasthan, B. Odisha, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Tripura. Second point, the easternmost longitude of India is A. 97 degree 25 minutes east, B. 68 degree 7 minutes east, C. 77 degree 6 minutes east, D. 82 degree 32 minutes east. The third question, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim have common frontiers with. We have to choose the country. A. China, B. Bhutan, C. Nepal, D. Myanmar. Then this is fourth question. If you intend to visit Kevarati during your summer vacations, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? Now we have to say that where the Kevarati is situated. A. Pondicherry, B. Lakshadweep, C. Andaman and Nicobar, D. Daman and Diu. Then the fifth point. My friend hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. You have to identify the country which does not share boundary with India, land boundary. A. Bhutan, B. Tajikistan, C. Bangladesh, D. Nepal. Now we will try to see the answers. Question number 1, answer. First, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. Its answer is B. Odisha. Point second, the easternmost longitude of India is A. 97 degree 25 minutes east. Then third point, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim have common frontiers with. The country is C. Nepal. Then fourth point, Kevarati is situated at the Union territories of. It is in the Union Territory of Lakshadweep. B. Lakshadweep. B. So fifth point, fifth question. B. Its answer is B. Tajikistan does not share a land boundary with India. It's Tajikistan that does not share the land boundary with India. So we have answered successfully all the 5 points, all the 5 questions. And here I have written this in detail. But at the same time, I will tell you that when you will answer this question in your examination, there you need not to go in length. Here it was to make you understand, to teach you in detail so that things may come in a comparatively good form before you. But in exam, you need not to write answers in lengths. So I have also given you an alternative on the next page, because in examination the time is valid. There you need not to waste time in writing useless lengths. We will be rewarded only for that what we are asked if we answer accurately to the point. So you can see on the screen, you can also answer this question in this way. Question number 1, solution. For part first B, part second A, part third C, part fourth B, part fifth B. Answer. Very short. I hope that you would have successfully and easily understood what I tried to convey to you from this end. I think this is sufficient for today. I'll be inshallah with you again with more information, necessary information about this chapter. Till then, I am leaving you with the advice that take care of your health, health of others, health of your family members. Take the advantage of this time. Be in touch with your books, with these lectures. This lecture is available to you here in my voice, and also it's written on the screen. You can maintain your notebook and write these questions there. So I hope that you may not feel any difference that has it been taught in the class or through the offline class. Wishing you all the best ahead. I am leaving you. Stay home, stay safe, honor COVID SOPs, stay blessed. Thank you all.